Buying cake token with fiat on Gardarian is easy and secure. Jump to our homepage and let's get started. Select a currency and enter the amount you wish to spend. Please pay attention to the minimum amount available for your exchange. For each transaction, we provide exchange details. Gardarian has a fixed fiat currency fee and does not charge you with additional or hidden fees. The expected exchange rate is the rate at the moment of calculation. Please note, depending on market volatility, the final amount can be changed. Ensure you have read the terms and conditions and press the button to continue. Fill in your cake wallet address and write your phone number for SMS verification. Your number is needed for further verification steps, and Gardarian will never call you. Enter the code next. The following step is a quick and easy verification of your identity. Select your preferred document and take a picture. Next up is facial check. Turn on your camera, place your face within the frame, and roll the head in a circular motion. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. The status will automatically update once the verification is completed. Finally, you need to fill in your payment card and billing information. Do carefully check all the details before processing the payment. Please note, payment from another person's account and payment without reference will be cancelled. As soon as we receive your payment, the exchange will be performed.